to build store locator pages in Multiloca. First, go to Settings. Then go to Shortcodes and Documentation. In Shortcodes and Documentation, scroll down, Location Finder List shortcode will be visible. Copy that shortcode and paste it into the shop page. Now in Settings Shortcodes and Documentation section, toggle on Enable Location Finder Map and List View Feature Setting and click on Save Changes button. To enter Google API key, go to Location tab. In Auto Detect User Location with Google field, enter Google API key, validate that API key and click on Save Changes button to save the API key. Now go to Shop page where Location Finder List shortcode has been added. Store Locator will be visible. Click on that Store Locator link. Once click on Store Locator link, Store Locator functionality will be visible. Thank you so much for your time.